The Earth is surrounded by an invisible shield that protects all life on the planet from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. The shield is called the ozone layer, but how much do you really know about it? In this video, we will show you a stunning video of how the Earth is covered by the ozone layer, the mystery and hidden facts about it. So let's get started. This is a 3D animation showing the ozone layer around the Earth. The animation shows the movement of the ozone layer as the Earth rotates on its axis. The ozone layer is a region of Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. It contains high concentrations of ozone, a form of oxygen that is very good at absorbing UV radiation. The ozone layer is essential for life on Earth because it protects us from the sun's harmful rays. The sun emits a wide range of radiation, including ultraviolet, visible, and infrared light. Ultraviolet radiation can cause skin cancer and cataracts in humans and also damages the immune system. It also damages plants and animals and even damages the materials that we use to build our homes and offices. The ozone layer is able to absorb most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation, preventing it from reaching the Earth's surface. This process occurs when ozone molecules absorb ultraviolet radiation and break down into oxygen molecules and free oxygen atoms. The oxygen atoms then recombine with other ozone molecules to form more ozone, which is able to absorb more radiation. The thickness of the ozone layer varies depending on latitude and season. It is thickest over the equator and thinnest at the poles. The ozone layer also has seasonal variations due to changes in temperature and UV radiation levels. In the northern hemisphere, the ozone layer is thinnest in the spring when UV radiation levels are at the highest. This is because the ozone molecules have had a chance to absorb the extra UV radiation and break down into oxygen. The ozone layer was discovered in 1918 by French physicist Paul Kruger. However, it was not until the 1970s that scientists began to realize that human-made chemicals were causing the ozone layer to thin. These chemicals, known as CFCs, are found in everything from refrigerators to hairsprays. When CFCs are released into the atmosphere, they eventually reach the ozone layer where they break down and release chlorine atoms. The chlorine atoms then go on to destroy thousands of ozone molecules. This process has led to a 40% depletion of the ozone layer over the last 50 years. But the good news is that the world has come together to phase out the production of CFCs. As a result, the ozone layer is expected to recover to its 1980 thickness by 2075. So there you have it, a stunning video of how the Earth is covered by the ozone layer, the mystery and hidden facts about it. We hope you enjoyed learning about this important part of our planet's atmosphere. If you did, please leave us a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.